Drop a like. Yo, what's up guys? Today we got a sick video. We're taking out the headliner, we're painting it, and we're putting 1,000 stars in the headliner. We also got shooting stars, and I'm gonna throw a ThatWrapKid in the sunroof. It's gonna look super sick. Okay, we got all the handles, headliner, lights, mirrors.
Oh, and it's out.
I got it out, but there's no clip to take it out. Won't be that hard or not.
It's out.
And it's out.
Inside.
It looks sick like that.
Yeah, it does.
Like a drift car. 4 cans of this vinyl fabric paint. This is what I use to paint the headliner. Pretty good. It's all ready to paint. Let's go to our paint booth.
Where's the paint booth?
Put this over there. Yeah, they're not bad. Alright, so this is the headliner. Here is our Starlight box. So it's not even damaged. So we got 2 strands here.
So 1,000 stars, eh?
1,000 stars. Cool. 2 big ports. Shooting star light box.
That one almost went flying.
I'm gonna show you how this works because I was looking on YouTube and there is nothing. So there are 10 different strands. These all plug in to this light box, and this is the timer. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc.
Yeah, I think I know what you mean.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's gonna take a long time.
We'll start with 1, and we'll do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, the beginning of all the shooting stars, and then we'll go on to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ready? I think I'm ready to. Once all the other stars are in, it's gonna look more full and it's definitely gonna look better.
Oh yeah.
Boom! We got 800 stars that we're putting in the headliner. Is it gonna look sick with 800 stars in? Yes. Do I want to put them in? No. Yo, bro. Yo, your carbon pieces came in, bro. Yeah, bro, come. Bro, they look sick, yo.
Stop it, we're doing it right now.
Alright, come.
I'm on the way, sweetie.
Okay. Carbon. What carbon? What carbon? Keep talking. So I printed out this ThatWrapKid sticker. I'm gonna place it right here, and then I'm gonna tape it all up, and then I'm gonna spray paint it. Hopefully it'll look pretty sick. It actually doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna just go around the whole border of the ThatWrapKid with the starlights. Stars later. That was a long ass journey, but we're done. The hard part is putting it all back into the car.
Wow.
So I gotta take these rails off so I can put the sunroof in because all the wires are connected to the sunroof.
Y, B, you said.
Safety first.
Yeah, safety first.
Yeah, we're almost in. Holy crap. Yo, that was a tough one. That's like a mess, bro. Oh my god, I fucking did. No way. Okay, that's it.
You look cozy in the back, but that actually looks good. What's it saying?
ThatWrapKid. Sunroof is in. Now we just gotta get the headliner up top, just like that. Throw some of the bolts in, and we should be good.
Clip it.
It's up there. It's good. It's like chilling. Okay, yo, I can throw these in and the pillars though. Those are done.
Let's do it.
The Starlight is complete. We got everything up. All the lights are running. The headliner is painted. It looks pretty sick. Let's check this out. Turn this on. It's nice, eh? Yeah. See how they're all so close together? That's crazy, eh? It's packed.